Are you tired of being skinny and wanting to transform your physique? Bulking can be a challenging journey, but with the right guidance, you can achieve impressive gains while maintaining overall health. This comprehensive guide provides expert advice on training, nutrition, and supplementation to help you bulk up safely and effectively. What is bulking? Bulking involves consuming more calories than your body burns, resulting in weight gain. This excess energy is used to support muscle growth and development. Phases of bulking. 1. Caloric surplus, consuming more calories than your maintenance level. 2. Muscle hypertrophy, progressive overload and resistance training stimulate muscle growth. 3. Muscle recovery, adequate rest, nutrition, and recovery allow muscles to repair and grow. Benefits of bulking. 1. Increased muscle mass. 2. Enhanced strength. 3. Improved bone density. 4. Better overall physique. Types of bulking. 1. Clean bulk, focuses on whole, nutrient-dense foods. 2. Dirty bulk, includes processed and high-calorie foods. 3. Lean bulk, emphasizes maintaining low body fat while gaining muscle. Key principles. 1. Caloric surplus, 250 to 500 calories above maintenance level. 2. Protein intake, 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram body weight. 3. Progressive overload, gradually increase weight or resistance. 4. Consistency, stick to your training and nutrition plan. Common mistakes. 1. Overeating, leading to excessive fat gain. 2. Insufficient protein intake. 3. Inadequate training progression. 4. Poor recovery and rest. Will bulking make you gain muscle? Yes, bulking can lead to muscle gain if done correctly. However, it's essential to 1. Combine a caloric surplus with resistance training. 2. Ensure adequate protein intake. 3. Progressively overload your muscles. Allow for recovery time. Tips for successful bulking. 1. Consult a qualified trainer or nutritionist. 2. Set realistic goals. 3. Monitor progress. 4. Adjust your plan as needed. Risks and considerations. 1. Excessive fat gain. 2. Increased risk of injury. 3. Negative impact on mental health. 4. Potential for muscle imbalances. With this guide, you now possess the knowledge to successfully bulk up and achieve your fitness goals. Remember to stay patient, consistent, and committed, and you'll be on your way to building lean muscle mass and transforming your body. Happy lifting!